start.
Ben, ano ba itong Grain Smart? That was my first question when you walked in. Tell us about Grain Smart Corporation. Kasi marami na tayong narinig na hindi basta, ano yan, sabi niya, bigas. So, hindi lang daw kayo basta rice retailer, hindi lang basta-basta na rice supplier ng bansa. Marami din kayo na inihahandog. Marami kayong offered na business opportunities. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we started 10 years ago. Actually, this week we're celebrating our 10 years anniversary.
Happy anniversary rin pala sa inyo.
So pareho po tayo ng Linggo ng Kapanganakan. And Grain Smart, by the word Grains and Mart, we are actually a bigasan. So we have hundreds of branches already nationwide. So we have this glass dispenser. So dito po, ako din po mismo yung nag-design ng glass dispenser.
Glass dispenser?
Yes po, para mas malinis po natin ino-offer.
Para sa bigas?
Yes po.
So doon may imbak yung bigas mo, and that's how you dispense it?
And that's how you sell it.
Di sana naman, Bekenemen, Sir Ben.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi na siya yung traditional na bigasan, yung mga bundok-bundok po na nasa palengke. So now, after 10 years, we have actually launched a very good product, which is the rice coffee.
Yun na nga, kanina, I saw that dun sa booth. Rice coffee na naka-pack, the foil pack.
Yeah, so we innovated because, of course, the Philippine Franchise Association is always pushing us for explorations, innovations, and that is why we have come up with this very good concept of rice coffee. Yung mga matatanda po, di ba, yan ang ginagamit, no?
Tinutusta ang bigas, tapos dinidikdik.
So we are actually promoting healthy coffee for the public. You should try later, ma'am. Pareho
So
po.
hindi I take my coffee seriously, kaya dapat yan, Ben, ipatikim mo sa akin yan. Pag nagustuhan ko yan, I'll shift.
Non-acidic. It will promote a healthy po, kasi hindi po kayo madadiabetes because we're using stevia. It also has barley, may moringa. So there are a lot of health benefits from it. So
hindi
may
siya galing sa
malunggay?
coffee beans.
yes, may malunggay din po. So we're using the non-dairy creamer. So talagang healthy. No?
Actually, dairy creamer is bad for you, di ba?
Yeah.
So, non-dairy creamer yung
Non-dairy
sa'yo.
creamer.
Stevia pa, hindi
Stevia.
aspartame, ang pampatamis, no?
No,
Galing
no,
healthy,
no.
So all natural ingredients.
Yeah, so
Price points, magkano?
ang price points po natin dito, yung isang pouch po natin can actually be sold at around $299.
How many cups yun?
There are 10 sticks, so you can have it for 10 cups.
For 10 cups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung pangalan ng negosyo mo kasi hindi lamang Grains Mart, natindahan ng grains, but Grain Smart. Why is a grain?
It's a Grain Smart rice coffee naman tayo ngayon.
O ito,
Miguel.
matanong naman natin si Miguel.
Miguelito, di ba? Batang-batang pangalan, Miguelito. Miguelito, nakita ko yung kanina, yung ice cream nyo. Kasi nga, since sa 2002 na daw, nasa industriya na kayo ng manufacturing and franchising. So, tell us about your franchising business, the ice cream. Is it just ice cream that you're franchising?
Well, we have different products that we offer. I believe we have 1,000 SKUs that we offer. But, you know, in terms of, you know, in the industry, for 22 years, my parents started this business. So they're the founders. Specifically for our ice cream, what's really unique about us is we are offering 80% less sugar, sweetened by stevia.
And of course, everybody's so conscious na.
Yes. So that's why I think that's the trend nowadays. People are going for the healthier option.
Stevia, monk fruit, yan ang mga ano ngayon, ang mga sweeteners.
Yeah, and another thing is that we're offering vegan ice cream. So without
Anong flavor? Ampalaya?
No, it's actually
It's non-dairy.
It's non-dairy. It's made from coconut milk.
Wow, I love that!
Yeah, it's really good. And my personal favorite is avocado.
Meron ba sa baba ngayon?
Oo, meron sa baba.
Our avocado is actually vegan.
And you're seen in the supermarkets?
Usually inside the malls, inside the schools. These are the location na, alam mo, papatok yung ice cream.
Price points, magkano?
Oh, it's around, we have 30 peso ice cream up to 150 peso ice cream.
Okay. So
it's for
depende sa
everyone.
budget mo.
Yes.
Okay.
Ito ngayon naman natin yung ating paborito. Paborito natin to kasi talagang kaagapay natin dito sa ASPN sa pagiging isa po sa pinakamalaking donut chain sa loob at sa labas po ng bansa. Paano napapanatili ng ating paboritong Mr. Donut? Natikpan nyo na ba yung kanilang beef tapa? Paano napapanatili yung kalidad ninyo?
Alright. Ali, yung quality ng donuts natin, to make sure na standard siya, si Mr. Donut mismo, no, yung commissaries namin, yung talagang naggagawa nun, We produce that and we deliver that every day sa aming mga stores.
Wow, so fresh talaga.
Fresh siya.
Anong tawag dun sa bilog-bilog ninyo?
Smidgets po.
Yun ang
Smidgets.
paborito ko sa inyo.
And the pondering.
Yan,
And the what?
Pondering donuts.
Si Patty, coffee bun.
Coffee ba? Ang aking favorite dyan
Oo,
talaga.
cheers.
Correct.
Match na match talaga siya sa
So,
kape.
baked daily, so fresh.
Yes, that's correct. And it's produced by our commissaries. Kasi sometimes ang challenge kapag sa stores ginagawa, nag-iiba siya eh. Kasi
Yung quality,
yung quality.
diba?
Yeah.
Oo. Okay, so ang tanong ko sa inyong lahat, paano nyo na pinakamahalagang suporta po natatanggap nyo mula sa inyong, para sa inyong brand, mula sa Philippine Franchise Association, paano nakakatulong? Does it make sense to join the Franchise
Kung meron kang
Association?
negosyo.
Oo.
Definitely.
And dapat ba magkuha ng franchise imbis na gumawa ng
To be
sariling
part of the
negosyo?
Philippine Franchise Association.
Well, franchising kasi is simplification of the business. Most people actually think that franchising is very hard. And that's where the picture of franchising comes into the place kasi yung mga brands po na katulad namin sa Philippine Franchise Association, number one, we have the brand, we have the system, we have the innovations na para po sa mga Pilipino, mas madali na po na i-adapt yung business model.
Oo. What about you, Che?
Being a member of the Philippine Franchise Association gives you parang credibility and dun sa investors din. They would know that legit itong negosyo na to because as we all know, marami kasi ngayon na hindi ka sure kung ano ba to, meron pa ba
Yung
to bukas?
hard-earned money mo na
Correct.
puhunan mo.
Correct. When you're a member of Philippine Franchise, they screen the brands, they screen the members, and at the same time, you can be assured, pag member yan, in case magkaroon ng problem, you have someone to back you up.
How about you, Miguelito? Ilang years na kayong part of the Philippine Franchise Association?
Oh, well, it really, in terms of the brand, our brand, Miguelito's Ice Cream, actually just celebrated our 5th year anniversary
Fifth
with
year rin,
Philippine
okay.
Franchise Association. In terms of their help, definitely, they're really active in terms of exhibition and expos here in the
So yan ang
Philippines.
tulong.
Yan po
Lagi,
talaga.
at saka widely publicized yan. May expo. Punta kayo doon, pili kayo ng gusto nyo
Correct.
puhunanan. Ano?
We're not gonna be 600 stores without them.
Wow.
Definitely yung mga ganong exhibitions na pinoprovide nila, it's really good for brand owners like us. So we highly encourage those brand owners na nag-start pa lang, definitely sali kayo sa PFA.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.